Okay, all throughout the course, you're going to take knowledge checks. So a knowledge check will look like this. Basically, every time that you spend 10 hours in ALEKS, or after you've learned 20 new topics in ALEKS, ALEKS is going to prompt you with a knowledge check. Okay, you're going to have 24 hours to start the knowledge check. You don't have to finish it within 24 hours, but you got to start it within 24 hours. Okay, this is going to basically recess what you have learned in this course so far. Roughly 20 to 30 questions. The topics that you get right, so most of these topics are going to be topics that you've already done before. Topics that you get right, those will stay in your pie, okay, or your total topics. The topics that you miss, those will be taken away from your pie, and then you'll have to relearn those, okay. You want to take the knowledge check just like you would a test. So if you don't know a question, you're better off just saying, I don't know. Okay, that way you can relearn the material and be more prepared for the test. All of your tests are basically going to be knowledge checks as well. So if you take the knowledge checks seriously, you don't use your notes, you don't use a tutor, you take them like you would a test, you're going to miss some topics, but that's going to prepare you for the next test. So, you know, I'd go through this knowledge check, answer the questions. All right, let's see what happens here. Okay, so I did well on the knowledge check. It says I need to revisit one topic. That means I missed one topic, so I'm going to continue on my path. Okay, typically you miss some topics. Okay, especially I knew 131 topics, I missed one. If I want to see which topic I missed after the knowledge check, if I hit this drop down arrow, see how the star next previously learned? This is the one I missed. All the topics that have that little icon, since there was only one topic, this is the one topic that I missed. So I would hit this, I would hit the top, all the topics that you missed. Why it's not letting me learn it. Rational expression. Oh, I'm on that topic. Okay. So I'm on that topic. I'll hit start. Oh, there it is. Okay, so I'll hit rational expression. So this is the topic that I missed. I would go back and relearn that topic. Typically, topics that you have already learned and you relearn, you usually gain those back faster. And then I would just start back and start gaining topics again. So you're going to be doing probably a knowledge check at least once a week. Again, that's going to prepare you for the test. Treat them like a test. Don't use your notes. Don't use a tutor. You know, and then you'll do better for the test. All right.